Okay, what we got here is the Samsung SmartThings multi-sensor, and the battery has gone dead, so let's see if we can change that. So just behind the case here there is a little recess where the screwdriver can go in and it can lever the case open. So we're just going to squeeze in here, see if I can slide that screwdriver in. Whoops. And then we'll just lever it open, which is really tight. Right, let's pull that battery out. And what is that? Panasonic. So I got a big packet of these bad boys. I got a couple of these sensors around the place, so I'm sure I'll use them somewhere. So when I put the new battery in, this blue light should come on, indicating that it is now connecting again. Or maybe green. All right, let's put the case back on. It slides on. Bob's your uncle. All right then, so that pretty much wraps up this video, so I'll see you next time.